Hi, today we'll be taking you through a tour of TextNow's Self-Help Portal for wireless customers. Here you will find how you can manage your account information, subscription, device, and more. Start by heading over to textnow.com and logging into your account. From here, head over to the menu and select My Wireless Account. On this main page, you can see that you have several options. If you click on Manage Plan, here you will find options to change your plan or add a member to your family plan. If we head back to the main page, we can see that we can also manage our billing information. On this page, you will be able to view your payment history or add a new credit card. If you want to activate a new device or order a new one for your account, you can click on Manage Device. You can also check on a port request or cancel your subscription. To change your personal account information, hover over My Account and select Settings. Here you will find where you can edit the name or email in your account, change your password, and more. And this concludes our tour of the TextNow Self-Help Portal. If you need any additional support, head over to the TextNow Support tab. From here, you'll be able to browse helpful articles, view more video tutorials, chat with our support team, or schedule a support call. Thank you for choosing TextNow.